Hi everybody, welcome to the second of 3 videos about ZIL and the Raspberry Pi image for using ZIL to create text-based adventure games. So this video is just intended to give you a 2 or 3 minute overview of the programming language, what it is and where it comes from. So ZIL stands for Zork, as in the game, Implementation Language, and in order to understand the history we need to wind the clock all the way back to the late 1950s and introduce you to this gentleman by the name of John McCarthy, initially of MIT and later of Stanford University. So John McCarthy is famous for, amongst other things, two major breakthroughs. One is kicking off artificial intelligence, and in fact he coined the phrase artificial intelligence. And the second thing is he, in order to support that work, created the programming language Lisp, which was a programming language designed specifically to support artificial intelligence work. We have to then fast forward into the 1970s, still at MIT, where the dynamic modeling group, part of the Lab for Computer Science, actually developed a Lisp variant language by the name of MDL, or Muddle, as it was called, and used it for simulations, dynamic modeling, as the name suggests, and amongst other things, creating a mainframe text-based adventure game by the name of Zork, and that was around 1977. Moving on from there, the same guys then formed Infocom and developed a subset of Muddle, effectively, subset of that language, which was focused on very specifically doing adventure games, creating adventure games. So effectively taking the game Zork from the mainframe, making it available onto microcomputers of the era, and in doing so, created ZIL. So effectively, ZIL is born out of Muddle. It's a Lisp-based language, and effectively it stands for Zork Implementation Language. So that's its history, and it's very specific. Its entire purpose is to do text-based adventure games on the Z machine. So that's it, short and sweet. That's a history of the programming language ZIL, where it comes from, how it's got its name, and then in the third video we're going to show you the code itself and also how to compile it and then how to play it. So thank you for your time, guys, and we'll see you in the third video.